This series of learning is about ETFs, real estate ETFs, and REITs. They may offer unique opportunities for investors looking to diversify their portfolios beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Hi, I am Vrishali Kulkarni, and today let's dive into what each of these investment options are. Firstly, real estate ETFs are investment funds that hold portfolios of real estate related stocks. These can include shares of companies engaged in real estate development, management, or investment trusts that own and operate income producing properties. Investing in real estate ETFs provides several advantages. Firstly, it allows you to gain exposure to the real estate sector without the need to directly buy and manage physical properties. This means you can participate in potential rental income and property appreciation without the hassle of property management. Secondly, real estate ETFs offer diversification within the real estate sector itself. Instead of investing in a single property or development project, you spread your risk across multiple properties and real estate companies. Investing in REITs has become increasingly popular among Indian investors for several reasons. Firstly, they offer regular income through dividends, as REITs are required to distribute a significant portion of their incomes to the shareholders. Secondly, listed REITs provide liquidity. This allows investors to buy and sell units easily. Thirdly, REITs offer transparency and professional management. They are managed by experienced real estate professionals who understand real estate operations, leasing, and maintenance, reducing the burden on individual investors. When considering whether to invest in real estate ETFs or REITs, here are few factors to keep in mind. First, investment objectives. Determine whether you're seeking capital appreciation, regular income, or both. Second is risk tolerance. Assess the risk associated with real estate investments, including market cycles and interest rate fluctuations. Third is diversification. Real estate ETFs provide broad exposure across the real estate sector, while REITs offer specific exposure to income generating properties. Fourth is tax implications. Understand the tax treatment of dividends and capital gains from real estate ETFs and REITs in India. In conclusion, real estate ETFs and REITs offer compelling opportunities for Indian investors to diversify their portfolios with real estate assets. Whether you prefer the flexibility of ETFs or the income potential of REITs, both options can play a valuable role in your investment strategy. Thank you for tuning in. This is Vrishali Kulkarni signing off. Until next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.